Hi guys, this is 2003 Nissan Patrol ZD30 engine. So I'm going to do today repairs for the alternator. You can see the alternator in here. This one is not holding chargings, so that's why I'm replacing for the alternator. We have to first off the dry belt and the of 214 mil bolt. Over here another one. So then I got already the new alternator in here. It's a 120 amp alternator. So we first off the dry belt. You can see the dry belt tensioner in here. So this is the adjusting nut, you can see. So if we jump out the belt, then you can see one 14 mil bolt in here and one 12 mil bolt underneath this bracket in here. Have to off that too, and the connector of the alternator. The back side of 10 mil the earth line. So bottom 14 mil alternator bolt, get off it. Another 14 mil bolt in back side. You can see another 12 mil bolt. The top one is a top 12 mil bolt. So I'm going to lever the alternator. So we have to take it out alternator. Okay guys, this is the new alternator and this is the old one. We're going to put back in the new one, back to engine. Okay guys, we tied all the bolts. Now we have to put back the wiring connector back. This 10mm earth going back. And a 12mm positive line going in here. Okay, connector back in. Okay guys, finally we installed all the things back together. Now we have to put the dry belt in. So all good. Okay guys, finally we done the job. We're going to start the car. So after that I'm going to set the charging. Okay guys, you have to after that check the double check the battery terminal is tied. So all good. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.